guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off or turn on data protection. So what I mean by data protection is if you type your passcode 10 times and it is wrong, the iPhone will reset and delete all the data. So if you want to stop that from happening, what you need to do is simply go to the settings app. Here in the settings app you need to scroll all the way down until you see face ID and passcode. So simply tap on it. Here type your passcode. Once you type your passcode, this menu will appear. What you need to do is simply scroll all the way down until you see erase data option. You can simply turn it on or off according to your choices. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching.